Welcome to Granddaddy's Kitchen. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 chopped red onions, garlic and ginger, chopped yellow and red pepper, 4 chopped tomatoes, loads of coriander. Last but not least, limes and chilies. Basically, the time you want to rip this out is it's great for the summertime. It's really great for the wintertime. It's great for a post-workout meal. You know, it's great to accompany sandwiches. It's really just a nice, healthy, different style salad that they'd be making in India and accompanying every dish with. I think this one needs a bigger mixing bowl. Now the limes are definitely gonna do 2 things. They're gonna hold the salad a bit longer, and they're gonna bring out all the flavors of the peppers, the onions, the tomatoes, the coriander. Basically, it's adding like a natural source of vinegar. Fresh chili. Now, some people take out the seeds. We're not gonna. I like the heat. Also, a good choice is to leave the chilies fairly chunky in case some of the guests don't really want any chili in it. The flavor will still be throughout the salad, but it'll take away the heat. Fresh coriander, don't be shy, and mix in. Look at all those lovely, lovely, lovely colors. It's very good consistency in there. Basically, it's all equal parts. Let's toss a little bit of salt inside. Healthy pinch. Nice big pinch of black pepper. Let's go back to our lovely bowl. Look at all those lovely colors. Something I would definitely suggest about this salad, you're free to eat it right now as it is, but I would definitely suggest leaving it in the fridge for about 2 hours so all the flavors can come alive. This will as well sit in your fridge for a good 3 to 4 days. Little taste test here. Lovely. The reason why I like the salad so much is all the vegetables going through it. The chickpeas, it's just a nice, easy salad. You could have it at home. More importantly, leave in the fridge for a few days. It's just gonna get better with time.